Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a flight in the Flighty application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the search and add flights button. So just type in city and then just type your destination. And then just set a departure date. So for this date there was no flights available, so just try again with a new departure date. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.